Welcome to today's PIB update. Let's quickly cover the top news from 23rd September. Here is the first question. Where is the World Para Athletics Championship scheduled to be held in 2025? A. Shanghai. B. Los Angeles. C. Paris. Or D. New Delhi. Answer: D. New Delhi. The 2025 World Para Athletics Championships will take place at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, New Delhi from 27 September to 5 October. Union Sports Minister described sports as a uniting force, according to PIB on 23rd September. Second question is, what is the theme of the 10th National Ayurveda Day? A. Ayurveda for health and wealth. B. Ayurveda for people and planet. C. Ayurveda towards sustainable future. Or D. Ayurveda for all and nature. Answer: B. Ayurveda for people and planet. The Ministry of Ayush celebrated the 10th National Ayurveda Day under the theme of Ayurveda for people and planet. This theme highlights the holistic role of Ayurveda not only in individual health but also in promoting ecological balance and sustainable development. Moving on. Which film won the Best Feature Film Award at the 71st National Film Awards? A. 12th Fail. B. Rocky or Rani Ki Prem Kahani. C. Mrs. Chatterjee vs. Norway. Or D. Jawan. Answer: A. 12th Fail. The film 12th Fail won the Best Feature Film Award at the 71st National Film Awards. The award were presented to the winners by our Honorable President, Shri Mati Draupadi Murmu. Next question is, with reference to the Ayushman Bharat scheme, consider the following statements. It was launched in 2018. The scheme has two components, health and wellness centers and Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. Only rural families are eligible for benefits under the scheme. Select the correct option. Answer: A. 1 and 2 only. Ayushman Bharat scheme was launched in 2018. According to PIB, marking 7 years of Ayushman Bharat, the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi today reaffirmed that Ayushman Bharat has redefined access to quality health care by ensuring affordability, financial protection, and dignity for millions of citizens. Last question is, which ministry launched the world's largest digital sign language depository on International Sign Language Day? A. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. B. Ministry of Culture. C. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Or D. Ministry of Education. Answer: C. According to PIB, during the International Sign Language Day 2025 celebrations, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment launched world's largest digital sign language depository. Answer this bonus question in the comments. Great job finishing today's PIB MCQs. For more practice, check out these videos. They are packed with the next set of important questions you can't afford to miss. Don't forget to subscribe so you never fall behind in current affairs. See you tomorrow.